We have kept our camera right at the main gate. We will be the first one to catch the glimpse of Riya Chakrabarti whenever she comes down. And you can see there are around 4 vehicles that will be escorting Riya Chakrabarti from her house to the NCB office. This is basically equivalent to the security that is generally being provided to a cabinet rank minister in the state of Maharashtra. So all kind of heavy deployment being provided for Riya Chakrabarti to ensure that she reaches the NCB office as per her own safety and security that she had demanded. And after she reaches over there, we can expect some stern line of questioning from the NCB officers, around 6 to 7 NCB officers in one room, sanitized room mainly, with around 2 police officers, women police officers will be grilling Riya Chakrabarti on the chat she had with Shouvik Chakrabarti, her brother, why she was trying to procure drugs for somebody else. Was this somebody else? Basically late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. So the main idea of this interrogation will be, was there an attempt to drug Sushant Singh Rajput by Riya Chakrabarti?
From outside the residence, I believe it is Riya Chakrabarti who just walked out of the building, has stepped into that vehicle. We do see a Mumbai police officer there speaking to the escort that's probably in the car with Riya Chakrabarti.
Well, yes, and Poonam, this is this very same vehicle in which we've seen Riya Chakrabarti in the past as well. Whenever she has, appeared before authorities or has travelled, has used the very same grey-coloured SUV in which we now see some movement at the residence of Riya Chakrabarti. So certainly, whether it is Riya that has in fact gotten into that car, we will get a quick confirmation from our correspondents who are there on ground. But yes, some movement certainly taking place, and the moment of Riya Chakrabarti actually going to the NCB now, of course, very, very clear. Let's go across to our reporters who are joining us from the residence of Riya Chakrabarti as well. I believe we have Vajula and Arunil who are joining us.
Arunil is standing by. He's right outside the residence of Riya Chakrabarti. Arunil, we did see someone step out of the building and step into this grey SUV, which is now waiting to exit the building. Can you confirm for our viewers if that is Riya Chakrabarti?
Well, it highly looks like it is Riya Chakrabarti, Poonam. This is her vehicle. Now we cannot see the person's face inside, but there was somebody who stepped inside. She will be accompanied by these 2 police vehicles, and 2 police vehicles are outside also. We'll ask the Mumbai cop over here. Sir, Riya Chakrabarti is inside this car?
Yes.
She is inside the car, confirmed to us by a Mumbai police officer over here. He basically said that she is inside that grey car and she will be accompanied by 2 Mumbai police vans. There are 2 more vans waiting outside. Basically the kind of deployment given to her, which is equivalent to a cabinet rank minister usually gets it in the state of Maharashtra. So all kinds of preparations being done over here. Intense grilling session expected as she reaches the NCB office. This is, you can see, this is a police van which will be going in front of Riya Chakrabarti's car. Riya Chakrabarti's car now comes. Basically, she is in this car.
There for Riya Chakrabarti, as you rightly mentioned over there, the kind of treatment.
And the Mumbai cops.
Narcotics Control Bureau. It's a journey of about 28 kilometers, which should in fact take a little less than an hour, we are told. Of course, given that it's Sunday and the roads would be clear, perhaps lesser time than an hour, but that's the sort of time it would normally take, Poonam, for this vehicle. Very, very important now, because the grilling of Riya Chakrabarti is likely to begin in just about an hour from now.
Absolutely, Madhav, and the time that she has spent in delaying this entire process has clearly been spent on devising a strategy, because we've got a reaction coming in from her legal team, and she is yet again playing the victim card. Her advocate actually goes out to say that Riya is ready for arrest, but this is a witch hunt. If loving someone is a crime, then she will face the consequences of her love.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Riya has always played victim. She's played the victim card time and again. And now, once again, of course, that's a sort of statement coming in from her legal team as well. Very, very important moment here when Riya Chakrabarti will in fact be submitting herself before the authorities. She will of course be questioned by the NCB. This is in response to the summons that the NCB has issued as far as Riya Chakrabarti is concerned. And let's quickly get in a word from the Narcotics Control Bureau as well, from where our reporters have been covering right from this morning, Poonam, because special arrangements being made over there as well, given the kind of spotlight that Riya Chakrabarti has been under.
Absolutely, both Tamal and Mohit Sharma are reporting from outside the NCB office. Mohammad Wajiullah also standing by. Wajiullah, I believe you are at a little distance from the residence of Rhea Chakrabarti and are now on her trail as she moves towards the NCB office.
Yes, we are right behind her vehicle, and we just passed Rhea's vehicle. She's been escorted by two police vehicles. One is in the front, one is behind her, and they are taking her to the NCB office. Now, the NCB office from where she stays, Juhu Tara Road, is close to 28 kilometers. So it will take her close to an hour or so to reach that place, keeping in mind the traffic as it is there in Bombay. Mostly we will find traffic right before we reach the Western Express Highway, but after that it will be a clean road, and then we would be taking the ceiling to take her through the NCB office. Now you can see a barrage of vehicles that are following her. There are media person, and right in front of her car is the police vehicle. We would be going right next to her. See, that is the jeep in which she is traveling. She's on her way to the NCB office. She's sitting right inside. I think she may be accompanied by her father too, but that remains to be seen if we get a closer look of the view. But she has been escorted by two vehicles. These are the live visuals that you are seeing on your channel as of now.
All right, let's quickly get in a word from Siddhant as well. Siddhant, take us through what's happening really at this moment at the NCB, because I believe there are elaborate arrangements being made over there as well.
Well, that's right, Madhav. You see, these are the police vehicles escorting Rhea Chakrabarti, Madhav, and we are tracking this entire road route. We have our colleagues, Wajiullah, me, Arunil, Kajal, Mohit Bhatt, Mohit Sharma, Tamal. We all are on the story today, and you can see the chase that is currently going on, Madhav. You know, the fact here is that she was summoned at 10:30, but she is running late. And let me tell this to our viewers that more than 5 police vehicles are escorting Rhea Chakrabarti, and they are clearing road for her to reach Narcotics Control Bureau. Not just that, even sirens are also being played around to clear the road. So surely this morning NCB teams have also gone to Santa Cruz Police Station to request them to give protection to Rhea Chakrabarti as she has to appear on their summons. And this is what exactly Mumbai Police is following. But looking at the escort, this is no less than a cabinet minister rank escort in Maharashtra. This is what I can confirm for our viewers. More than 5 vehicles are escorting, and there are several other media vehicles which are also going around. So we will be getting the minute-to-minute updates. So this we can confirm for our viewers that in next 35 minutes she will reach Narcotics Control Bureau's office, and we are behind her vehicle.
Okay,
At the same
so
time, Wajiullah is
we will
also
continue to track all those developments. Poonam, take us through the shot. These are the pictures when Rhea was leaving her residence just a few moments ago.
Absolutely,
this is the best shot we've got.
vehicle that belongs to Rhea Chakrabarti. That is, of course, Rhea there walking out of her building into her car. We do see a police officer there escorting her, ensuring nothing untoward happens. We believe there probably is a Mumbai police escort in the car as well with her. There are, of course, several other Mumbai police PCR vans that are following them, making way, actually, not even just ensuring that there is no law and order situation, but also making way, clearing the way for her to reach to the NCB office. Because remember, Madhav, she is over 45 minutes late for her appointment with the NCB. She'll take at least another half an hour to 45 minutes to actually get there. Does the agency see this as a sign of non-cooperation? Why was she late? What took her so long? Why did she not reach there on time despite having been given a 2-hour window to set herself up, to prepare, to get ready and get there? That is the first question that awaits her, Madhav.